World's first and only app, fully powered by Google's latest generative AI tech that turns your keywords into lifelike AI avatar characters and videos. Text to Ultra HD AI images and videos. Generates jaw-dropping AI models and influencers. Turns blurry images into realistic HD images. Creates and embeds unlimited chatbots to websites. Crafts unlimited WhatsApp chatbots. And so much more. That comes along with creating multi-modal generative AI contents, avatars, images and so much more. Blocking your path and hampering your business, sales, and growth. Creating like AI avatar characters and videos in any niche is challenging. It's not easy to design AI avatar characters and videos. Either you will end up paying a hefty amount of money to expensive designers or paying monthly fees to AI tools. Paying through your nose to expensive image and video designers. Graphics designers and video makers charge an absurd amount of fees and produces contents and copies that never converts. Creating attention-grabbing AI images and videos for social media very costly. Captivating your audience with killer AI videos and reels is a tough gig. It takes skill, creativity, and a whole lot of trial and error, else you end up paying an absurd amount of money. Selling generative AI contents, videos etc. is very difficult. Selling online is the most challenging part when it comes to making money online, but not anymore. With Gen AI you can sell to our built-in clients in no time. So, with all these challenges and difficulties, there is no doubt why most of the marketers and business owners give up while burning their pockets in the process. Look, with the new uncanny ability to create high-engaging multi-modal AI generative AI contents, avatars, chatbots, videos, images, musics, reels etc. Gen AI is changing the game for everyone. Now, you don't have to deal with outdated and expensive AI tools for image, video, or marketing material creation etc. And here is the kicker. This first-to-universe app also comes with built-in 250+ million buyers traffic, ready to buy AI contents in no time. And now it's your time to take your marketing game to a whole new level while generating a complete autopilot income. That turns your Siri-like voice commands into stunning full Ultra HD AI images, chatbots, videos, arts, multi-modal AI models, avatar characters and so much more. This clearly clarifies why AI is the new big thing on the internet, with a limitless potential to crank out big profits. Imagine if in just minutes from now you could get access to the world's first true chatgpt, Midjourney and DALL-E, killer app with limitless functionality. That creates multi-modal AI contents, chatbots, images, models, influencers, WhatsApp chatbots, etc. instantly just with your voice commands. Sound like a big life-changing opportunity? Well, this is what we have achieved after our extensive research and development. We have successfully created Google's generative AI-powered app with superpowers that lets you skyrocket your business and sales like never before. And here's where it gets even better. This comes with built-in commercial license, which means you create and sell high-in-demand quality contents, marketing materials, or anything that you want. Look, the Google's latest generative artificial intelligence is all over the internet. It has taken over the world by storm, forcing every marketer and business owner to bow down to its supreme reign. Wondering why? Well, that's simply because generative AI produces high-quality multi-modal AI content in the blink of an eye. And it is billions of times more faster and smarter than humans. And the best part? It lets you skip all the hassles of creating AI avatars, contents, videos, images and so much more, while saving you time and money. And the best part? Create high-in-demand multi-modal generative AI contents like full Ultra HD AI avatars, AI videos, AI chatbots, AI WhatsApp chatbots, AI HD images, and arts, AI image animations, AI multi-model contents, AI multitasking bots, so much more and. In other words, AI is the new game changer in the online industry. And if you are not riding on the tidal waves of AI, then no doubt that you are losing tons of free money on the table. Turning blurry images into ultra-realistic HD images is a big pain in the ass. It's not easy to turn images into HD images. Either you will end up paying a hefty amount of money to expensive designers or paying monthly fees to AI tools. Crafting AI models and influencers is not easy. Creating AI models and influencers be frustrating and is the common pain point of every video marketer. And you're limited to only a certain types of contents that you can create. Creating unlimited WhatsApp chatbots for automation could cost thousands. It's not easy to create WhatsApp chatbots for business automation. You will end up paying a hefty amount of money to expensive designers or paying monthly fees to AI tools. Instantly skyrocket your conversion, traffic, and sales with high-quality marketing materials. Create unlimited marketing bots and automate your businesses. Just type in the description or give voice commands for producing AI avatar videos, graphics. Stop being dependent on expensive third-party softwares and services. GenAI comes with a commercial license that lets you start selling unlimited contents, websites, codes, graphics. Grab this life-changing one-time opportunity and start profiting like never before. Start saving and stop paying through your nose to outdated, expensive third-party softwares and services. Say goodbye to the hassles of AI content creation, graphic design and marketing materials. Say hi to this next-gen Mid-Journey, Canva and DALL-E killer app. Get anything you want just with your voice commands. Instantly get any type of codes, just type your instructions and done. Skyrocket your businesses to the next level. Be your own boss, unlock your laptop lifestyle. Give Siri-like voice commands about anything you want and sell them to our built-in audience while filling up your pockets. Give voice commands about anything that want like content, avatars, chatbots, AI graphics, or marketing materials, etc. GenAI is new big elephant in the room that generates your desired requirements instantly. Start profiting by selling these high-in-demand marketing contents, AI graphics, and so much more while filling up your pockets. GenAI unlocks your dream laptop lifestyle. GenAI is the new AI revolution. That is redefining the modern-day multi-model AI content creations like AI avatars, chatbots, images, graphics and so much more.